Dear student, good morning. Today's topic is mole concept. A mole is defined as the amount of substance that contains the same number of entities, means atom, molecules, ions or other particles, as the number of atoms present in 12 gram or 0.12 kilogram of the carbon 12 isotope. For example, 12 gram per mole of carbon 12 is divided by 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram per atom of carbon. So it is equal to 6.022137 into 10 to the power 23 atoms per mole. This number is known as Avogadro number. It means we can, by this formula we can calculate how many atoms. So 12 atomic mass of carbon divided by the 1 mass of an atom of carbon, which is 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23. So answer is come 6.022 10 to the power 23. By this concept, a theory is made which is known as mole concept, student. It means 1 mole in terms of particle is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23 particles. In terms of volume of a gas, 1 mole of a gas is equal to 22.4 liter of a gas at normal temperature and pressure. In terms of mass, if we take the mass, means in respect of elements or atom, 1 gram of atom of element is equal to 12 gram of carbon, 23 gram of sodium. It means 23 gram of sodium has 1 mole value or 12 gram of carbon has 1 mole value. It means in 12 gram of carbon has Avogadro number equal number of atoms, and 23 gram of sodium is equal to Avogadro number equals atom. In respect of 1 gram molecule of a substance, for example 18 gram H2O, it is a molecular mass, and 44 gram of CO2. So 18 gram H2O has means 1 mole. It means 1 mole of 18 gram H2O has 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. As 44 gram of CO2 means 1 mole, it has 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules of CO2. Student, if the substance charge entities means cation and anions, for example sodium chloride, 1 mole is equal to 58.5 gram, means 1 mole of sodium chloride has weight 58.5, which has 6.022 10 to the power 23 charged particle in it. Another example, calcium carbonate, 100 gram means 100 gram calcium carbonate is equal to 1 mole. It means 1 mole of calcium carbonate has 6.022 10 to the power 23 charged particles in it. Student, in a descriptive way, it's a simple way you have seen on the display. 1 mole of atoms is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms, or equal to gram atomic mass of the element. For example, 1 mole of sodium is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms is equal to gram atomic mass of element. In case of sodium, it is equal to 23. So 1 mole of atoms is equal to mass of element and divided by their atomic mass. By this formula, we can calculate the 1 mole of carbon atoms is equal to their atomic mass, which is 12, divided their 1 atom mass, which is 1.992648 into 10 to the power 23. So the answer is 6.022 10 to the power 23. So mass of 1 atom, if we want to calculate in a simple way, we easily calculate. We put the value of atomic mass and divided by the Avogadro number. So 12 is the atomic mass of carbon divided by the Avogadro number. So answer of 1 atom of carbon is 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23. It means, student, by this formula you can calculate the mass of an atom. We divide the relative atomic mass by the Avogadro number. Student, another example of 1 mole of oxygen molecule is equal to Avogadro number. It is 32 gram per mole. Or moles of a compound is equal to mass of compound divided by their molecular mass. Moles of H2O means if we calculate how many moles of H2O in 9 gram. So with 9 gram of H2O divided by their atomic mass, gram atomic mass, which is 18. So their mole is formed 0.5 mole. Mass of one molecule is equal to divided the molecular mass by Avogadro number. For example, mass of O2 molecule, molecular mass of O2 you know 32 divided by the Avogadro number. So mass of O2 molecule is 5.31 into 10 to the power minus 23. So student, according to this mole concept in NCERT, the question is 1.33. Calculate the number of atoms in each of the following. The first segment, 1 mole of argon contains atoms. Avogadro number equals 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. So 52 mole of argon contains 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. Multiply by 52. So the answer is 3.13 10 to the power 25.